Hello coders and welcome back to Code Mode. Today I will show you how to make a random number game. So basically how this game works is you guess a number and the computer guesses a number, and if you both guess the same number then you win. But if you don't, you lose. So how this works: first you import a library called random. After you import that library, then I made a function called choose. You could name it whatever you want, but I named it choose. Next, I made a list of the numbers that the player has to guess. I made them 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I made the computer choose. Here is where the random library comes to use. I made a variable called choice, and I used random.choice and in the numbers list. So the computer chose a number from 1 to 10 from this list. Then I returned the variable choice. Then I made the player guess a number. So when the player guessed the number, I converted the number the player guessed into an integer. Then I used if, and I told the computer that if what the player chose is equal to what the computer chose, see, like if what the computer choose my function is equal to player answer 2. Remember to have these two. If you don't have these two, then it's going to make choose 2 player answer 2 instead of checking if choose is player answer 2. Then basically what this does, if the value is true, then it prints good job, you got it. If you want, you could make it say something else, like bravo, you got it, or something else. But I used good job, you got it. Then if it's wrong, for wrong I used else. Then it says print incorrect. The correct answer was choose. By this, it prints this, and then it has this comma, and then it has the function choose, which is set choice, and choice is a random number 1 to 10. And that's how it works. I'll show you how this looks when you run it. So when you run it, you have to guess a number. I'm gonna guess 5, and I got it wrong. The correct answer was 8. This is a really fun game. You can play with family and friends. And that's it for this video. Bye. I hope you like and subscribe.